Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get cat food in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the cat food, you need to go to the pet store. You need to visit Mrs. Joan at the central square. You can track her right here. Okay, and then you need to talk to her and then go to the pet store, and here you can buy the cat food or any food for your pets. I'm going to buy 5. Okay, and we can also buy the universal animal food like this. And okay guys, that's how you can get the cat food in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.